Running a subscription business, one unexpected freeze from your payment processor can hold all your recurring revenue. Here's a quick way to see the risk for yourself. Search Stripe subscription payments frozen on Google and skim the results. You will see patterns where subscription based businesses had funds held or accounts restricted, sometimes without warning. If your business relies on recurring payments, this can quickly become a major problem. That's why many subscription based businesses switch to EasyPay Direct. They offer recurring billing built in, supporting subscriptions without freezes, and transaction routing, so payments continue even if one account encounters issues. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also benefit from hosted checkout, which makes it easy to generate payment links or landing pages for your subscribers in just a few clicks. If you want to set up subscription payments without worrying about freezes, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out the quick sign up form, and you will have a stable, reliable account ready to handle recurring revenue. The link's in the description to get started.